All right, Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Bashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Wakar Kadash, and the Heavenly Father. True name is Yahweh and His only begotten Son, Bahashem. In the name of Hamashiach Yahweh Shai, those are the true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, Balash Kadash, the Holy Tongue. And I say Barak Thumb to the elders and apostles, Wa'akim, Wa'akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson of this recent news article. A large earthquake hit off the shores of Indonesia. And this is a news article from the Guardian.com, published by Reuters, Wednesday, April 1st, 2026. And it reads, recent breaking news. It says earthquake of magnitude 7.8 earthquake strike off Indonesia, sparking tsunami alert. The quake was a shallow depth, 10 kilometers in the northern Maluku Sea region, and the USGS said. And it says a magnitude of a 7.8 earthquake has struck the northern Maluku, if I pronounced that right, the sea region in Indonesia. The United States Geological Survey says. It says the quake on Thursday was a shallow depth of 10 kilometers, 6.21 miles. It said the U.S. tsunami warning system said that tsunami waves were possible at 1,000 kilometers. It says the epicenter along the coastal of Indonesia, Philippines, and Malaysia. The epicenter of the quake was about 120 kilometers from the city of Tararat, Indonesia's northern Maluku province, which has a population of 205,000, according to the USGS Geological Survey. It's the book of Second Ezra, because the prophet Ezra, he mentioned, that the Heavenly Father going to visit this earth with these earthquakes. Second Ezra chapter 9 and verse 2. It says, then thou shalt understand it is a very same time where in the highest, which the Heavenly Father will begin to visit the world which He made. Right, so we start to see that the Heavenly Father beginning to visit the world which He made, especially with these earthquakes in diverse places. Second Ezra chapter 9 and verse 3. It says, therefore, when there shall be seen earthquakes in uproars people world. Right, so that's the key word, earthquakes. It's the prophet Isaiah chapter 29 and verse 6. Thou shalt be visited of Yahweh of hosts, which the Heavenly Father, Yahweh of hosts, with thunder and with earthquake and great noise and storms and tempests and flaming by fire. Right, that's the key word, earthquakes with storms and tempests and flaming by fire. As the prophet Isaiah mentioned, that the Heavenly Father, Yahweh of hosts, is going to visit the earth with thunder and with earthquake and great noise and storms and tempests and flaming by fire. This is Psalms 18 and verse 7. It says, then the earth shook and trembled, and the foundations also, the hills was moved with shaking because of wrath. Right, because the Heavenly Father is angry with the wicked every day. Because you look at the definition of wrath, which is W-R-O-T-H, which is angry. So the Heavenly Father is angry with the wicked every day. So He visits the earth in a justly manner, in a just way, in a merciful power way, in a righteous balanced power way. Because we know that's the balance of the Heavenly Father. Because when the Heavenly Father visits the earth, He visits the earth in balance, in righteous balance. So He's going to continue to visit the earth with the great shakings, with the earthquakes, And this is the book of Luke 21 and verse 11. And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places. Right, just like that 7.8 earthquake hit off the shores of Indonesia. It says, a great earthquake shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fearful sights and great signs shall be from heaven. This is the book of Matthew chapter 24 and verse 7. For nation shall rise against nation and kingdom against kingdom, which goes into ethnos, and there shall be famines and pestilence and earthquakes in diverse places. Right, so that's what we're seeing: famines and pestilence, plagues, and earthquakes in diverse places, which is going to continue to increase. So hopefully this was edifying of this recent news article from the Guardian.com as of April the 1st, 2026, and you had a large 7.8 earthquake struck the Indonesian, sparking a tsunami alert. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Bashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Wakakadash, and the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh, and his unbegotten Son, Bahashem, in the name of Hamashiach, Yahweh Shai, those are the true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashkodash, the Holy Tongue, and I say Barakatham to the elders and apostles, Wa'akim, Wa'akwaf. Until next time, I say Shalom.